Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
My dear Leo, welcome back. On Monday, you have been living a very busy life and commitments from all sides that were demanding from you a lot. Today, the pressure is likely to ease a little. Spend some quality time with your partner and share some good memories. When you are living in a family, certain compromises ought to be made in order to achieve success. Follow this theory for the day. You must go for a checkup for your eyes. Singles will find this day to be really supportive. Today may not be very meaningful and productive for you, though you will get to spend plenty of time with yourself in the afternoon, which may not necessarily be to your liking. But by evening, you may feel a little extra sensitive, a lonely day, or as an optimist would put it, you've got the whole day to yourself. But it could have been worse, for instance, a day alone with your nagging mother-in-law. On Tuesday, the day brings a mixture of good and bad memories for you. Avoid quick decisions as it might get you into trouble. Family reference will help you find an appropriate job. You might succeed to strengthen your love life. You may have an argument with your partner on a small issue. It is likely that you might get influenced by someone from your friend's circle. Health should be on top priority list for the day. Children are prohibited to consume fast food as it will deter their health. You are likely to be at your inventive best today. You are likely to taste success, much to the delight of your colleagues at work and loved ones back home. However, experience counts, and if you are a beginner at something, you may face problems in your new venture. On Wednesday, you may doubt your own self and may underestimate your own potential. You should behave in a considerate manner when people are around. Try to connect to others on a deeper level. Media professionals will face criticism from their seniors. Businessmen can crack a good deal. The day indicates financial gains. Explore different dimensions of your relationship. Your partner is likely to be astonished by receiving tender romantic gestures from you. You are likely to express your ambition to your lover. Your sweetheart will appreciate your future plans and will feel very happy and satisfied with your powers to express. Reaching new highs, you will reach the pinnacle of harmony in your life. On Thursday, your positive attitude and self-confidence will bring you success on work front. Your crush might be impressed due to your down-to-earth nature. Give yourself an alone time to introspect what you have done and what you want to achieve from life. You might meet someone special today. If you are working in the entertainment industry, there is a good project coming up for you. Students are advised to take their studies seriously. This is going to be a normal day for money matters, wherein financial gains aren't very evident unless you put in efforts. In other words, stroke of luck in regard to money matters is not foreseen. On Friday, this day will finally give you some relief from work after a long period of time. Your work was not allowing you to take a sigh of relief. Take this opportunity to rest and relax with your family or your partner. You will draw comfort from familiar things. Enjoy a quiet evening at home with your partner instead of going out for more vigorous enjoyment. Elderly people might find difficulty in breathing. Take medical help if needed. You could make new friends as your aura would be positive today. These friends could be of help to you in one way or the other. Besides, you will be able to stay committed to your friends and work. Any appreciation will boost your morale. On Saturday, you may expect some help from your colleagues to complete an important task. You will be confident and energetic today. Your spouse will support you in your decisions. Sometimes it is good to follow your instincts. Don't do a particular thing if it doesn't seem right to you, or you may have to face unnecessary losses. The less you will pay attention to people, the more you will be happy. Pregnant ladies should think positively and involve in spiritual activities. It's a lucky day in the office. Expect that big pat for the dedication and hard work you have put forward. You may also fetch a reward from your colleagues or boss. You will be happy feeling that people around you are really nice to work with. On Sunday, every feeling is intensified because of the alignment of the stars. You are going to feel both love and hate more deeply than ever before. It will be prudent to wait before you start any project and see if they endure before you commit yourself. Financial gains are indicated for the day. Students will be able to concentrate well on their studies. Avoid cold and frozen food. A great day for you is waiting. With the superb energy levels you experience today, you will be executing your tasks to the best of your ability. It's simply not fair to get too busy thinking about career. Listen to the heart of your loved one. You may make some important changes to your lifestyle. Devote some time to your loved one as well. You may ask them about matters close to their hearts.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.